It's time to kickstart your journey to clear skin and a healthy gut with our powerful tea combo. Today, we're unveiling a tea experience that's more than just a sip. It's your daily ritual for radiant skin, balanced hormones, and a flat tummy. Meet the Hibiscus Ceylon Tea combo. So for this recipe, you're going to need pure hibiscus tea, you'll need pure organic Ceylon cinnamon tea, also known as true cinnamon for its unique effects on insulin and also managing your weight. You're also going to need raw organic honey to balance blood sugar, boost your energy, and restore the health of your uterus. This is very important. You're also going to need some womb cleanse oil to help shrink fibroids, cysts, and boost ovulation so that you can bring back your period naturally. This is an essential. You're going to need some fresh ginger to help you in balancing hormones. You'll need some black pepper to ensure all the natural ingredients are absorbed into your body. You're also going to need some cloves, which are essential for womb health, and you also need 1/2 liter of water. First up, place a sufuria and add 1/2 liter of water. Remember, we're using clean filtered water to avoid toxicity which will interfere with our results and cause hormonal imbalance. Next up, add a teaspoon of pure hibiscus tea into the sufuria. Once you're done, add a stick of Ceylon cinnamon and remember to use this for 3 days before discarding it. Then add crushed ginger into the sufuria. Up next, 1/2 teaspoon of cloves into the sufuria. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of crushed black pepper into the sufuria. Now you're done, cover your sufuria and it's time to let this boil for about 3 minutes. Once it's ready, you are about to have a healthy cup of delicious Hibiscus Ceylon combo that will change your life. This tea is amazing. This tea is a delicious alternative to conventional products filled with chemicals that harm your hormones. It helps heal your womb by getting rid of inflammation, bloating, a swollen lower tummy, and gas. It also helps to shrink fibroids, cysts, and boost the health of your ovaries to ensure you ovulate every month and you bring back your period naturally. It's also fantastic for weight loss because it slows down carbohydrate absorption, it's a natural fat burner, and helps to regulate insulin and your blood sugar levels. It's amazing for fighting acne because it regulates the amount of oil your skin produces, and this prevents clogged up pores and acne. Now it's time to add a teaspoon of raw organic honey into your cup of tea. This is going to help in curbing sugar cravings and boosting your cortisol levels naturally. Add a teaspoon of womb cleanse oil and enjoy your cup of pure health. Use the number on the screen to order yours today.